So hey everyone, Milton this side and welcome back to my another video. And today I am practicing book reading with pencil techniques. Yes, you heard right. Somebody's called pen pencil technique, somebody's called pencil technique. So I called pencil techniques. So this is I have a pen and I am taking in my mouth. This is the process. You already saw my video, my previous video. So this is my third or fourth number video about this pencil technique. I am practicing daily 2 or 3 minutes, but I am practicing today with reading. Every day I am practicing tongue twister, but I am practicing today book reading. So let's see. So this is the book I am reading now. Do attitudes go from the generation or the next? Absolutely. No wonder we find some families and society more positive than others. When we become aware of our negative attitude, why don't we change? Human nature generally resists change. Change is unforgettable regardless of whether it is positive or negative. Change can often be stressful. Sometimes we get so comfortable with our negativity that even when the change is for the better, we don't want to accept it. We prefer to stay with the comfort of negative. That's I am practicing the with pencil technique, and you can also practicing this method. And now I am reading normally. So, do attitudes go from one generation to next generation? Absolutely. No wonder we find some families and society more positive than others. When we become aware of our negative attitude, when don't we change? Human nature generally resists change. Change is uncomfortable regardless of whether it is positive or negative. Change can often be successful. Sometimes we get sometimes we get so comfortable with our negativity that even when the change is for the better, we don't want to accept it. We prefer to stay with the comfort of the negative. So this is my video today, and if you want to speak English fluently, so you can try this method because this is helping a lot. And one thing you can do, you can see my previous video. I told about shadowing. Shadowing is the best method to build your confidence and speak fluently. And thank you so much for watching my video and supporting me. Like my video, please. If you are watching my video, you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, because your subscribe give me motivation to make more videos. And please try this method.